everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how you can make an AI enabled read people's voices video or a podcast using Murf.ai. Okay, so I'm going to show you can turn text to speech with a versatile AI voice generators. Okay, so like voices like this.
Back in 1779, the first model of the human vocal tract was created that could produce the 5 long vowel sounds. This is the earliest known speech synthesis effort. Since then, voice technology has come a long way. In fact, the reality may even surprise you.
Words, voices, there is a subtle harmony in the two. One captures the essence of communication, forever preserved in the written form.
Okay, as you can see, these are real voices, real human voices that you can just paste your text and this text will be converted to human voices, text to speech AI voice generators, real human voices. Okay, you can use this to create videos or audio adverts or podcasts. There's so much you can do with this platform. As you can see, this Murf.ai has won several awards, as you can see from the screen here. Okay, so there's several things you can do with this platform. Okay, there are several things you can do, like product developers can make use of this, and educators for instruction, for marketers, authors, corporate coach, podcasters, animators, and even supports customer support. Okay, so there are so many things you can do with this, and without wasting much time, the registration is easy. We just go here, sign up, or if you have created an account, you just log in. In my case, I will click login. I will just log in with my Gmail account. Okay, as you can see, I'm in right now. This is my studio where I can create whatever project I want to create. Okay, right now I'm making use of the free version, a free plan. Okay, so I can upgrade, and I think this free plan gives me opportunity to create audio or video not more than 10 minutes. Okay, no more than 10 minutes. So let's go into that right now. So you can start by creating a project. Click here. So I can name my project, can give it a name, whatever I want to name it. I can say my awesome project 1. So I'm going to make use of audio. Let's create a project with audio first. So we can decide to choose to start with a blank page. Okay, all right. So if the audio you want to create is on e-learning modules, you can choose this. If it's audio ads, you can choose this. As you can see, if it's audio book, IVR systems, okay, public announcement, podcast, personal streaming, presentation, article or blog. There's so many options you can choose here, but in my case, I'll be making use of audio ads. Okay, so I click on that. I click create projects. As soon as you click on create projects, to take you down to this place, and here you can paste or enter your text. It will be converted to an AI voice. Okay, and you can choose different voices. All right, so let me check here. So because I'm using free version, I can't choose this pro. These are for pro. Okay, so I can make use of this guy.
Hi, I'm Nate.
All right,
I'm one of the friendly and
okay, so I think there are also other free ones here. I can make use of this.
We know it's such a drag having.
All right, okay, can also make use of this.
Step up your grilling game with Open Barbecue and get ready to impress.
Okay, so
Puppy Active is
I
a
can also make use
puppy-sized
of
version
this. So there's some also options of voices I can make use of that are not pro. All right, so but I think I'll be sticking with this guy here. All right, so okay, I have a sample audio advert I want to play already, so I'm going to paste that here, and so we can see how this work. So you can decide to split the script by paragraph. So I will go with this, so it can be splitted by paragraph. Then I can also add a block. That means I can add more block to this. Okay, so here I have it. I have this text here, and the AI is going to convert this to voices. So let's check it out and see how this work. I click here for it to generate an audio for us. So it's building up the audio. Okay, we are done already. So let's check this out right now.
In creating an audio ad, it's important to grab the listener's attention right away. A clear and concise message that emphasizes the unique value of your product or service can make all the difference. It's also important to choose the right platform for your ad. Streaming services and podcasts are great options, but you'll want to make sure you're reaching the right audience. When it comes to selling online, audio ads can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. By crafting a compelling message and choosing the right platform, you can reach a wider audience and drive more sales.
Okay, so there we have it. So this is an audio ad we have just generated right now. So you can go ahead to export this, okay, and you can make use of it for your adverts on anywhere you want to make use of it on. So but this is how you can generate an AI human voice from text to speech. Okay, so this is an example of what you can do. Like I told you earlier, we can actually change this guy to some other persons. Okay, we can decide to choose this voice for it to speak for only on this. Then let's see what will happen.
When it comes to selling online, audio ads can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal.
All right.
By crafting,
you can choose different voices depending on the need of the audio you are creating or the ads you are creating. Okay, so you can also come to this explore AI voices to choose different languages. Okay, as you can see from the angle here, I'm making use of US and Canada English. So you can make use of UK English, Australia, Indian. Okay, let's try out. Okay, let me check more. So okay, there's so many countries here. That should be all. Unfortunately, I can't see Nigeria here. So sad. Alright, okay, let's try an Indian English voice and see how that sounds. Okay, let's choose this guy here. Okay, let's do that here as well. The Indian guy, and here. Oh, okay, let's use this lady instead. Okay, so let the lady speak here, and let's see how it works. Let's hear.
when creating an audio ad, it's important to grab the listener's attention right away. A clear and concise message that emphasizes
as you can see, that is the lady's voice in India, English lady's voice in India. So let's try the Indian male voice.
When it comes to selling online, audio ads can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. By crafting a compelling message and choosing the right...
Alright, as you can see, these are real human voices, and so also you can choose any country voices you want to make use of is fine. Alright, so how you can create a text-to-speech audio ads using AI generated software like Murf. Okay, you can also use it for tutorials, personal teaching, adverts, anything at all, podcasts, and any other need you want to make use of it. So let's quickly check out the video, how we can create video with this as well. To creating the video, click on create project as well. So now we're going to say video. So you can also decide to choose blank, or creating a video on e-learning, training video, explainer video, product demo, motivational video, entertainment video, social media, video games, or video ad. Okay, so I think I will go with video ad. You click on this and then create project. Here we are. So this is where you can also paste your text to be converted to voice. Okay, so I have a text already, so let me grab that and paste here. Okay, this is my text, so I'm going to split it. Okay, good. All right, so on this video creation, you can also type whatever you want to type here, or you just copy and paste. Then you can also import your own script, or you can also add media. Okay, you can also add media files. So click on media file. So as you can see, we have a stock music here. These are stock music you can make use of. Okay, let me check this out. Okay, so you can choose stock sounds here. Okay, so you can decide to choose any stock sound you want here. So you can choose stock sounds. You can also choose stock images. You see, this platform is awesome. They made provision for stock music, stock videos, and stock images through Pesos. Okay, powered by Pesos. All right, so you can also check out stock images. Okay, so this is awesome. These are stock videos. Do ads we want to run. So I think I'm going to make use of this stock video. I click on it, then click on add to timeline. You see, it's added to my timeline. All right, so here we have it. So let's test run this and see how it works. Click here and see it's generating the audio. I think it's ready, so let's preview and see how this goes.
Looking for ways to bond with your family and create lasting memories together? Look no further than our family time products. From board games and puzzles to outdoor activities and crafts, we have everything you need to bring your family close.
Okay, so you see, this is an example of how you can create a video ad making use of Murf AI. Very simple and very amazing. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's export this video and see how it goes. You click on export. Okay, video, voice only, video plus music and other. So I will go with video. You can also include subtitle if you want to. Then click on download. Let's see how beautiful it is. When you export it, you have a video and audio. Just pasting your text and getting a free stock video from Pesos, and you are done creating a wonderful video. And you can also add background music, tunes to your videos on this platform. Okay, this is a free version I'm making use of, and can always upgrade. Check out their pricing. So here is the pricing. This is the free version. Check out the video description to get the direct link of this website, then register and test run it. Then you can make payment for any of the packages you want and create amazing voices and videos from this platform, Murf AI. All right, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this. Okay, see you on our next video. Thank you.